This wig is cute. No baby hairs. It's a baby hairless look. Let's get into it. Hola, ¿cómo estás? Buenas noches, buenos dias. It's Shantell Styles, and we're back again with another video. I'm jumping straight into today's install. I'm just going to talk you through pretty much all the steps that I take, but if you do want a more detailed video, definitely check out these links down below. So now what you see me doing is just putting foundation on the lace to ensure a better melt and match, and then also cutting my ear tabs. Once I've done that, I just flick those tabs up that I've cut in 3 sections, apply a layer of glue. The glue I'm using is the BetterTheMelt Hold. I then smooth that glue out with the end of my rat tail comb. I comb away from the hairline and press that lace into my skin just to make sure it's really melted and stuck. I proceed to do that on both the left and right, and then once I've done that, I then go in with my elastic band, wrap it down, and then get ready for styling. Once I've tied down my hair with an elastic band, for which I will actually link the same one that I use in this video down below, I then go in with my hot comb and just press over that hairline just to really make sure that those hairs are straight, laid, and also kind of flowing back. This will help for my middle part look that I'm doing a little bit later on. Now you just see me making a part. I'm going for a middle part. This is a HD lace wig. It's more of that transparent HD rather than that fine HD, but it still came out really well. Now I'm just sectioning off my hair and then straightening it in sections. I start from the back and I use the chase method. I did speed this part up as, you know, my straightening routine is pretty basic. Again, I use the chase method, going with the straighteners, going with the comb, and just chase the straighteners down after the comb. After the comb? After the comb. Yeah, after the comb. The density of this wig was really good. I would say it even felt like a 180, even touching on 200. I just did a quick ponytail for you to see how full the hair looks gathered. Now you just see me going in with my concealer. I'm just making a line just to make sure that part looks nice, fresh, and open. And I'm also just taking off the elastic band. Okay, so I've pretty much taken off the scarf and I've taken off the band. I'm now just going to cut the lace. So I've cut 3 flaps, my usual method, and I'm just literally going to go in each section and just cut that off. So I actually use an eyebrow razor to cut my lace. I feel like it's quite fine and it's very good at, you know, precisely cutting the lace in a zigzag motion, hence why, you know, I recommend it and a few others do. So I definitely would recommend this tool for cutting your lace. And then as you can see, you know, there's a bit of a white cast there. So what I actually did to counter that was going with a bit more foundation. And then I found that that wasn't really working out. So I then went in with some Got To Be spray and then tied my hair back down whilst I just went over the top of my hair once more and finished it off. So on top of going over the top of my hair with my Carrot Care wax stick, I decided to finish it off with a layer of Got To Be spray and then going in immediately with my hot comb. This really, you know, fries and lays that hair straight. We are going for a down pack, bust down middle part, okay? Just look at how soft, silky, and jet black this hair is. Oh, wow. And here are just a few quick angles of the hair. It's quite a thick wig as well. The density is pretty nice. It's very full. And you just can't go wrong. Every woman needs a jet black wig. in their cupboard, wardrobe, storage space. You just can't go wrong. Okay, so this wraps up this video. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to leave a comment down below. I am friendly, I do respond to everyone, and I shall see you in my next one. Adios, amigos.